Hello again, guys. This is another street again around the Ilupeju Industrial Estate. This is another street again. That is a company down there. We're about to show you another street again filled with industries in the Ilupeju Industrial Estate. You're welcome to Kaztvchannel001. You can see this is Nestle by the right hand side. That's Nestle, the company producing Milo and all those Bonfita stuff. That's Nestle, mainly their product is Milo. That's Nestle Nigerian PLC. You've been hearing about it. This is Lagos, Nigeria, Ilupeju Industrial Estate, Lagos, Nigeria. These are these are another company down there. You can see that all these fences you see, they are companies inside the fences. They are not opened like they use it abroad. Abroad there's no fence. You can see the companies very fast. You can see it. But here, our factories are being covered with fences. That is security measure as part of our lifestyle in Nigeria. If you are living in Nigeria, you should always understand this. That's a company, but we are not permitted to enter their compound. But as time goes on, we'll later be checking all those companies one by one, interviewing their workers and their managers. Once you keep on supporting us, you can see that another company inside this compound. Once you keep on supporting us at Kaztvchannel001, we keep bringing more and more of videos you believe you might love to see. We keep on bringing it for you guys. Just try and stay tuned, and please support us by putting up your subscriptions, then liking. Your comments mostly matters. Then share these videos to any of your social media networks for people who don't have access to it to also see it. People you see around there, they are just workers walking around. You can see the drainage. Drainage is polluted. Those are polluted water released from the factories. Yes, everything you see, both left and right hand side, any building you see are just factories or companies. And any of the transport you see, they are transport for the buses taking workers all around the estate. This area is Ilupeju Industrial Estate, Lagos, Nigeria. That's another company down there. You can see that. That's a big factory. You can see UBA Bank at the left hand side down. You can see UBA Bank far at the left hand side. That's UBA Bank. Let's go, guys. Please subscribe to Chat TV Channel 01. Subscribe at Cast TV Channel 01, please, guys. Please, guys, we need your support. We need your subscription. It matters the most to us. It encourages us to view more areas that we believe you might love to see. And you can post on the comment section whatever you believe you are not satisfied with on our videos. We try to make a change. Thank you very much. This is Cast TV Channel 01 again. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. You can see UBA Bank at the left hand side. Let's go. UBA, United Bank of Africa. You can see that. Let's go. That's another company. Is that not Colgate? There's a company there, Colgate, a company that produces toothpaste. You can see Colgate. Let's go, guys. Let's go. One thing you will notice about that's another company, Global Bank, or what is that? That's Global Bank Nigeria Limited. Let's go. That is another company. Let's go, guys. This is a walk through Ilupeju Industrial Estate. You can see the staff. These are company staff. They all work for companies, and you see the cars you see around are just cars owned by the workers or managers of different companies. And when they close at work, they take this to their houses. Let's go. Let's go. That's another building at the right hand side. It's also a company. hmm Let's go. Let's go, guys. You're welcome to Kaztvchannel001. In case you are just joining, this is how Ilupeju Industrial Estate looks like. This is how it looks like. Ilupeju Industrial Estate, Lagos, Nigeria. You can see that's another company there. We don't know what they offer, we don't know what they produce, but it's a company. There's another company by the left hand side. By the right hand side is another company. You can see the they are being covered by their fences. This is one of their trucks just offload or going to the or it's just offload. It's going out for the next one coming in. You can see these are company staff cars. You can see there's another factory by the left hand side. Let's go, guys. You can see their notification this thing on the gate. Let's go. By the right hand side is another company. This is Kaztvchannel001. In case you are just joining, please do like, subscribe, and comment and share our channel. Just say share our videos on all your social media networks. Thanks, guys. Thanks for staying tuned. Thanks for watching this Kaztvchannel001. This is how Ilupeju Industrial Estate, Lagos, Nigeria looks like. That's you see those factories down there by the left hand side. In case you are saying Nigeria does not have companies, people from outside countries believe Nigeria does not have companies. These things you see there, you see here, they are big companies. They employ a very high number of workers. You can see, you can see that another bank there at the right hand side, Zenith. That's Zenith Bank Nigeria. That's Zenith Bank Nigeria PLC. It has branches across Western African countries. You can see another company there. That's Shoreline House is a company, a gas production company. Let's go, guys. Stay tuned. Hope you are still with your bottled water, or you are still with your drinks. We are still with your wine. Please don't let anyone distract you. This is Kaztvchannel001. We film different parts of Lagos for you. This Shoreline House as a gas production company. That's another one at the left hand side. You can see that is what do we see there? It's not clear. Let's go, but it's a company as well. At the left hand side. Let's go, guys. It's not easy walking through this big environment. You know, the security system is messed up. If they see us filming street like this, they might just attack us. That is why we just try and take shots. This thing we don't stick the camera too much to avoid embarrassment. You can see that's the company. We couldn't pick it. Yeah, we couldn't pick it. Let's go. That's a company. Actually, that's a company. And there's a recreation center down the slope as a basketball court. In case if you are living in Ilupeju or people who have been to Ilupeju Industrial Estate we know this area very well. They know where I'm saying, they know what I'm saying. They know this place very well. You can see the basketball court is very popular. If you are in Ilupeju, just to say you are going to basketball court, they will take you right there at this adjacent. That's the basketball court. A lot of people come from Ushodi, from Mushin to play basketball in this area, in this court. You can see that short court. You can see a lot of players are in there playing basketball. That's Ilupeju Industrial Estate. While others are doing their businesses, doing their works, busy doing their occupations. Some are busy, some are there busy playing basketball, and they have basketball coaches. If you come around, they coach you, they teach you how to play basketball. That is it. You can see that, guys. You can see the Ilupeju Industrial Estate since you can see how it goes. You can see that's the name of the basketball court. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, guys. Let's go. We're about to